last time I ran the 10K officially was I think last year, March. So it's been a while. Not feeling the fittest, but I'm recording this on the 16th of May, which is a Friday. So I've taken part last month or so in this one run 10K challenge. The idea is that yesterday I did 3 kilometers, today I did 4, then 5 tomorrow, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and build up like that. And hopefully do the 10K on 24th of May. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh, it's quite hot today. Day 2 of running. Nice and cloudy today. Day 2 of my run. It is the 19th of May. Lost out on 2 days because I caught a cold. So 5 days to go for the run. And the aim today is to do 5K. So far it's going well. I've just crossed the 3 km mark. 2 more to go for the day. That's it. That's 5K done for the day at least. Now tomorrow we'll speed this up, shall we? Pretty decent at about an 8:35 pace. Did some subsidy shopping which he gave me in a Taj West End bag. Fun. Back at it. Had a sunny run today. Going to try and do maybe 7, hopefully 8. Ready to do this. Okay, I've reached. Wish me luck. Mark. Approaching halfway point. As I was approaching my halfway point, one dude was finishing his 10K. Crazy. approaching the 7 kilometer mark. Going strong so far. Last 1 kilometer. Alright, let's go. Last stretch. Practically see the finish line. Almost there. Oh, this feels so good. You have no idea how anxious I was all of yesterday about the run, whether I would finish or not, whether I would be able to do anything or not. I'm glad I did it. Time to go home.